Hi, Peter White here, and I just wanted to introduce you to a new software that may be available in the near future, but only to a limited number of people and only to those who take action at the time it's being offered. This software was produced by Greg Jacobs and Mike Sabatini, two great internet marketers and software designers who have produced a variety of successful products for internet marketing. Greg's, in my mind, most successful attribute is his customer support, and it's legendary. These people are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and do a great job. Anyway, Greg has produced this great new software which makes producing apps for both the Android and iPhone platform easy, intuitive, and deploying them really the same. And as you are well aware, the marketing opportunity for this is tremendous. Let me just show you what this software is capable of doing, and we're going to go ahead and open the app up now. Here's the app, and we're just going to launch it, and we're going to create a new app. This particular one comes with preloaded templates, and as you can see, these are for a variety of offline businesses, including health and fitness, professional services, legal, auto services, a variety. Anyway, we're going to use doctors and dentists. I have a friend who has a dental clinic, and we're just going to design this for him. So let's name this. His clinic's named Drumright Dental Center, and we're going to go ahead and enter that in here. Now I'm just going to copy that and paste it down here. We put anything we want in the app description, and of course you want to be fairly appealing in the description of the app so people will download it. Let's find us an icon, and this has to be 114 by 114 pixels. We're going to have this designed for the Android platform. Save and continue. We're going to give the app a title, and let's just call it Drumright Dental Center. Need a telephone number, and let's grab it right here. This is so you can have a push-to-talk feature on the app. You can enter an email address if you want that. We're going to go ahead and enter the physical address. And this is so you can have a map function which will give directions to the business location. So we're going to save and continue on that, and we'll move to the next portion. As you can see, there's a little video that will go in here. The application is still being completed and is in the design stage, but as I mentioned, should be released in the next week or so. These are the tabs for your app, and we're going to add a little bit of content to make the app a little bit more appealing to everybody who walks through or who downloads the app. We're going to add local events. We're going to add a Facebook contact. What else should we put in there? We can put in a photo gallery, we can put in blog feeds, we can put in a Twitter feed, we put in local events. Let's go ahead and add local events. Everybody likes to hear about locally. And we're going to go ahead and add news. And let's go ahead and save and continue on that. We're going to enter our master keyword, which is dentist, or dental. Let's call it dental. Save and continue. So the app is going to pull content from the internet to supply relevant content to the user of the app. And let's go ahead and start customizing this. Keywords already been entered for us. Dental. This is news. The icon. You can choose any symbol you want for the icon. We have a variety of preloaded icons. You can use any of these. Let's pick this one, and we get a little preview of what it's going to look like. We're going to save and reload, and we're going to return to our tab list. Let's do the Facebook account. This particular clinic has a Facebook account, and their unique Facebook identifier is here. I'm just going to copy and paste that in, and leave the icon the same. We're going to upload that. Let's make sure it actually works. Yep, perfect. And let's go on to the next one. Local news. We have local news, the icon, again, we can change it to anything we want. Let's just load and save it. And return to the tab list, local events. The area's not got a whole lot going on, but you never know. So, and people do like to read about what's happening locally, so we'll stick that in there. And then we've got services down here. We can really put anything we want in here. This is basically an HTML page, and we can put text or we can put HTML in here. We can put anchor text in there, which will take them to other locations. Again, the icon, anything we want. I just took this off of their web page, and it lists a variety of services that they have available. So let's just copy and paste that right there. Save and reload. Let's return to our tabs list. We're going to save and continue. That's all saved. Now we're just going to order things, and like first what I want on top is the services, maybe the Facebook, local news, local events, and finally news. So we'll have the tabs in that order. Let's save and continue, and now the software compiles and builds that app for us and delivers us this app. And there's our splash page with our image on it. With this one, you're linked to Google Maps. It pulls your GPS location from the phone and delivers the map to you. Call us, links to your phone, services, Facebook, local news, etc. So you can see you have a fully functioning app that's basically ready to be deployed. Now, this is the final screen, and in this screen you're going to go ahead and build the app out, and it's going to produce a usable app which you can download to your computer and then onto your Android based phone. And you can go ahead and install the app and start to play with the app, debug it, and when you're ready, you can go ahead and deploy the app directly from within the software. This app is really exciting. I know I spent about the last year trying to figure out a way to get into the app building market, and tell you the truth, most of the software and the languages and the processes that are necessary, extremely complex. Outsourcing it to developers, again, extremely expensive. Most apps are anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 to be built. This app gives everybody access to a platform which gives you great ability to customize, modify, and produce apps which will be very marketable. Anyway, this app will be available sometime in the near future. It will only be available for a limited time, so I encourage you to click the link below. Go ahead and enter your email and your name so I can get you on the list. As soon as the app becomes available, I will get you to the site, so at least you will have the opportunity to be one of the lucky few who may be able to access the software and use it in the future. Anyway, all the best. Thanks for looking at the demo. Be sure and comment below. Have a good evening and good night.